Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix voice memos take up so much space on iPhone. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Delete voice memos from recently deleted folder. Open the voice memos app on your iPhone. Tap recently deleted. Swipe left on the memo you want to delete. Tap delete. Tap delete again to confirm. Solution number 2. Turn off iCloud voice memos. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple account. Tap iCloud. Scroll up. Tap show all. Scroll up. Turn off voice memos. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.